She kept on barking. The barking dog. Barking dog. She's a girl. Yeah. She's really unborn. No tail. No tail. Dumpling. She's so friendly. She keep on barking, but she's very friendly. That's why her name is Dumpling. So windy and foggy.